Hello. So today we will learn here Warli painting. Okay. Warli painting basically it is folk art of Maharashtra. Okay. First I will show you how to draw figures, and while coloring we will make some texture technique. On that we will do compose. Okay. So let's start. First you must practice of human figure. Okay, and then you will start. Okay, now Warli painting figures are in basic shape: circle, line, okay, circle, then line for shoulder, then triangle for upper body, and one more triangle for below body, then simple lines for legs, for hands, whatever is action. Okay, simple lines are done. Means Warli figure basic shape is like this: circle, line, triangles, and legs and hands. Okay, so the same way they draw their animals also. What they do for animal? Are you getting properly? Okay, see, they draw the same triangles but this way, horizontal. Two triangles, okay, then and its details: legs, tail, done. Very simple. Very simple geometrical shapes they use for human figures, animal figures. Okay, now I'll show you their tree also. Okay, whatever tree they do details in that. Means one simple line, then these all curve lines. Okay, these all curve lines. Okay, and on that again one type of lines repetition. Same way here also. If they are taking any leaf shape, then they will continue the same leaf shape all over. So it's a very simple art. Okay, like this, complete all over. So this is Warli painting's basic shapes. Okay, now let's turn to the texture. I'll show you some textures which I did before. See, simple textures are done. With scale it is done. Means I put color on the paper and with scale I spread it and did little compose in the both the corner, and I got this texture. So this type of textures you can use. Here I did circular texture. See, the same way. Here I did circular texture here, and plain mixing of 2-3 colors in the background, and simple two figures of Warli, then stones texture, and here it is tree. 2 lines I did, curve line for border. So like this simple you have to do. Okay, this Warli painting you can do it in pen even. See, figures are done in pen and border is given, right? Stone texture is done here. Just line texture is here. So like this different compose you can do. Now you know how to draw figures. I'll show you how to make texture. Okay, one more texture I did here, which is circular, light to dark outside. Now in this I can compose my figures. I can show their dance or their routine, something. Okay, this is very important. Your figures, whatever you are doing, figures, trees, Here I will show you one simple texture I will do with white color, and that I will apply with like this. If you do, you will get this type of texture, right? If you will take scale, with scale if you will apply, you will get different texture. I'll show with scale. When it is wet, then only I'll do different texture. See, if you want color, you can add one color in that. Color texture. See, here I am doing color texture. Apply color first, and then with scale, even with ice cream stick you can do this. Now while drawing figures, coloring figures, you can use darker color on this. Means if background is darker, you will use white color. If your background is light, then you can use black. Warli peoples, they used to draw these painting, this Warli style on the wall. They draw on the wall only. But here we can use different surfaces. So see, with scale I got this texture. Now it is wet. Immediately I will show you another one texture which is lighter. I'll add white in this. Okay, I'll add white and circular texture. If you want, you can do light to dark. In the middle it is light, and in the surrounding you can make it darker. Already my dark tone was there, so I got one base with texture. See, राउंड टेक्सचर. और कुछ करना है, we can take dark color. In this we will do dark to light. In the middle it is dark. In the surrounding I will do it light. So texture, it's up to you. Whatever, however brush you will use, different textures you will use, you will get different way you use your brush, you get different textures. Okay, see, this is, here I used light to dark, so I got this texture, and then I did like this brushing, I got this texture. So it's up to you. With your experiments you can do different textures. Now what we'll do, we will start coloring. Okay, I'll show you on this. This is complete dried paper. So here on this I will show you figures. Okay, I did this texture. Now this is very dark in surrounding, and in middle it is light color. So I will use black only. On this I will do figures with black color. I'll use black with pointed brush. Here you require very, means 0 number, almost 0 or 1 number brush. Now figures practice you will do on one paper, and then start here, then directly you will do it. I will show you this type of figure. Okay, and tree. Again same way. See, if your practice of figures is good, then you can do directly on the paper. Okay, I will show you here. One circle. Circle also, if you draw little oval, then it looks nice. Okay, then line, then triangle, Now with practice you will get rhythmic lines. That's look nice. So little rhythmic lines I am getting. Fill this texture, means this triangle. While filling, even if you want, you can keep little orange. With practice you will get these all ideas. See, I will show with one dholak. Dholak how to draw? Two parallel lines. Okay, here is one oval, here is one oval, then in the middle I'll fill this oval, here also I'll fill one oval. See, very simplified drawing it is, right? Now these are all lines, straight lines. 1, 2, 3. See their dholak how they draw. Okay, now human figure action. Dholak, like this hand will come, then second hand will be up, right? Like this. Then his leg, okay. So this way you will complete your figure, and here we will put one choti. Okay, now one more figure I will show, that is dancing figure, or 2-3 lady figures I will show, those who are dancing here in the corner. Okay, same way again. Triangle. See, with practice you will change your basic shapes little, means instead of triangle you can draw like this geometrical basic shape. Fill it. Head also, head part also you have to fill. Okay, so leg section. Now this is lady figure, so we'll put amboda and flowers lines in her hair. One more figure I will show, dancing figure. This side, this side. Fill it. So students, like these figures you will use and complete your even here outside you can make strips, those also you can color. Here I will show you one tree. And with the lines we will complete this. Same lines we will repeat all over. So like this you can complete your compotes. Okay, and even paper, whatever you will get, you can use. See, one more I want to show you. One more compose. This texture is done with sponge. Here is also one texture. Here is one different compose. In the middle with scale it is done, and outside it's a dark tone. So you can complete like this different texture techniques and your Varley painting. Okay.